technical tool, along with the codex you received upon crossing the parapet, will provide you with the necessary information to make your way down the mountain as you face the daunting task ahead, the Dragon Gauntlet. The course is designed to test your skills as a rider through strategic application, trying obstacles, and your steadfast knowledge of dragon times. Over 70 challenges await you. No two squads are required to follow the same path, neither in direction followed or task completed. It's unlikely you'll have enough time to master each challenge, so choose your way forward wisely. Engage your strong suits to attain the highest score possible.
Ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go. chance. Zero chance.
Is it cold?
Has anybody ran across it yet? This is like Wipeout. You're gonna fall.
This week on Wipeout.
Is that fast?
I tried slower and I tried faster.
Pretty fast. Yeah.
It is.
You looking a little damp there, squad leader.
There might have been accidents.
Come on, Madison.
Such a boss. You can. Whew, you got this. I'm already so exhausted.
Yeah. Great time.
I would, my strategy.
Yeah, it just, the essence came out a little strong. I know. All right, everybody, third time's the charm.
All right.
Okay. Okay. I don't even know where I'm going.
Okay.
Okay, ready? All right, let's do it.
And go.
To brave the storm, sometimes we must abandon what we know and embrace new allegiances. Will you rise to the challenge and lead the revelation to victory? Still too slow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, because I do that in Ninja, we have a lot of balance obstacles like that. And the secret is instead of stomping to go fast, it's almost like
a light
hot,
foot.
like it's hot. Like it's like if you touch it, you immediately take your foot off. So it's like prancing.
Oh, I should have watched you do it first.
And walk, 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 and turn. Woo! Beautiful. Hey, Sarah. Hey.
Do a swoop with the cape.
Do a swoop? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, like that. Oh.
Yeah. 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 Both do a swoop. All right.